you know, heat exchanger, fix the brick, rebuild the blower, so reporting the blower too. It's at Kong's. Came from Miami. Yeah, it's getting heads cam. It already had meth. Rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling. Talk to him.
We got this super simple but clean V2 in. It's a customer of ours. We tuned his Chevelle. He's like an LS swap Chevelle. His name's Ron. He hit us up like a few months ago and said he bought a bone stock, I think it's like 70,000 miles, V2. Just how we like them, you know, unmolested. And he wanted to do basically everything like bulletproof a V2, so like, you know, heat exchanger, fix the brick, rebuild the blower, so reporting the blower too. It's at Kong's. He wanted it to sound good, so he's doing headers, and then he wanted a cam, so we did a cam. Stock fuel system, it's gonna be on 93 only. The previous owner had put a flex fuel kit on it, but he doesn't really use it. Stock heads, just springs. Yeah, pretty simple setup. I think he's just trying to make like mid sixes, low maybe 700. If he gets lucky, touch it. Pretty straightforward. Yeah. We really don't make parts for V2s, so it was kind of like, you know, other than the camshaft kit, it's got a PWR heat exchanger. It seems to be the easiest one to put on its stock location. Cook's headers. It's got a milled ZL. He wanted a ZL1 lid for the look, so we're doing that. ID 1050 injectors. Had an air rate intake we're going to be reusing. And we're putting an Air Force gauge where the clock goes on the interior, so.
Cool.
All the good stuff. It's like a nice retro build. Stock lower still. And then we got this one over here. It took a little bit longer than planned. The transport was being weird. It came from Miami. And he wanted to do heads cam. He called up and didn't even question anything. He's like, I just want y'all to make my car, you know, how you guys would want it. And it's here. It had an old Kong, it wasn't an export, old Kong port, headers, and a lower pulley stock upper.
This is an older build.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, the last thing
Not older, but you get what I'm saying.
Oh yeah, no, it's a 17. I think you said he did most of the work when it was, you know, close to new.
Yeah, gotcha.
It had, the last thing he did was our front tank and heat exchanger, but somebody did that. Somebody local to him, the shop that did the work closed down, and he did, you know, was the only people he trusted to build it. So he's like, I see your guys' YouTube channel, and I trust you guys, and sent it up here.
Cool.
So, yeah, it's getting heads cam. It already had meth. Might need to update it a little bit. It had a single nozzle, so we'll probably do a dual nozzle.
I got you.
It has a trunk tank.
Yeah, see, it's actually, let's go show them,
Yeah.
let's just show them the trunk. Because
It's, you wouldn't expect it, because the car looks stock. Yeah, it's not
It's
our
not
usual.
something you usually see come out of LMP. I get a kick out of it.
Yeah,
Oh,
she's
yeah,
got
baby.
double. I mean, the nitro kit's actually really nice. If anybody's looking for one, he's actually looking to get rid of it, because we don't plan on using it, and he said if you don't need to use it, then it's fine. I mean, it's got, I don't know if you show up in there, it's got the remote bottle opener, so you don't even got to come back here. It's got the heater, built in.
Damn, he's got, hold on, let me get my flashlight.
He's got the,
Yeah, so you can see he's got the bangers. He's got two of them bangers, and then he's got two more bangers, two torpedoes.
but yeah, I mean, it was done properly compared to the last nitrous kit I dealt with, so.
Yeah, no, this is a nice little setup. I mean,
So like it's one of the ones you don't even have to get out the car, you don't have to torch the bottles. The heater's built into the holder. Good old trusty.
classic. Hey, look, I've seen
works.
that.
Hey, this thing works like a dream. It took like, I mean, didn't need to bleed it when I did the baseline.
That's in my girl's dad's got that in his Roadrunner. So
Yeah.
like, you know, that right there is, this is a universal unit right here.
Yeah. But I mean, it works. I mean, it had a 9.55 lower pulley, like I said, with a stock upper.
That doesn't sound like a typical.
That's a weird size, but
yeah.
I don't even know if they make that size anymore.
I feel like I haven't heard you say 955.
But yeah, it had an old port on there.
Can't see nothing.
Non-export. It will be in a new export. Basically, just bringing it up to snuff. Just getting a Rotofab Big Gulp. It had a regular. It baselined. I don't think anybody took a video of me baselining it, but it made 695. So it's funny. I actually pulled this motor out, and then I had to put that motor back in today to get the stand free so I can tear this motor down. So just kind of hopping back and forth. But it's nice to hop back on something more modern. Them V2s are kind of like oh man, there's just too much going on with it.
Like, you got to replace the motor mounts because it's a V2.
Yeah, not even that. It's just like all the little bull crap GM was doing with the brackets and mounting everything.
Oh yeah.
Dealing with power steering pump, stuff like that.
Yeah, it's just dealing with the older non-revised stuff.
Everything's brittle, plastic, But now that one's in good shape. It's garage kept. I think he's only the second owner.
It's just got a nice color on them wheels.
But yeah,
that is a clean unit. That actually had stuff that I had never seen because that's house.
I mean, it's a 09 too, so it's the first year. So like, just tearing it apart, like there was some stuff that's like seemed like a little bit different than the other ones I messed with, but maybe it's because it was the first year.
I mean, Savino's was pretty nice. That one was the most stock I had seen.
Yeah, so I'll be tearing into this thing tomorrow. Hopefully have the cam done, but no, I got the heads here. I should have the heads back on it tomorrow.
Cool.
Yeah. It's gonna be one of them things like finding stuff that we want to do different. I mean, he gave us full range. He's like, hey, if you find anything, just let me know, and I'll do it. I got to double check with him. I could have swore he said he had a low side fuel system. I don't know if it was like an in-tank deal, but I don't see an aux pump, so we probably have to do our low side kit.
Gotcha.
And like I said, obviously I got to tell him we're probably gonna update his meth kit, and like I said, if anybody wants a nitrous kit, it'll probably be coming off all the way. If I'm gonna take it off, I'm just gonna take it off the whole way. It's a nice kit. It's a nitrous outlet. So if anybody's in the market for them, he let me know to, put feeler post out there if somebody wants to buy it. Getting kind of back to normal.
Yeah, same here. I've been just making a bunch of parts. Getting stock back up. Hopefully, then wait time's gonna be coming back down here. So I'm playing catch up. Summer's coming, so you got vacations.
Yeah, we got a few more of these style builds coming in here soon. We got to get these ones done.
That's a quick update. I mean, we can go show what Fuzz is doing. He's doing some weird stuff over here. Not weird,
not the usual stuff, but
some oil coolers. Whole little kit. Had to make the lines for it. It's pretty cool. They got fans on the back, so don't worry about them not.
Honestly, if it had a ZR1 front bumper, that would actually work out. But
yeah, no, with the ZR1 front bumper, it'd be pretty sick.
Yeah.
Because as you can see, there's nothing there, but it turned out nice. It looks nice. I like it. So
yeah, it's a nice kit. It typically comes with the lines, but they didn't have any lines ready, so it would have been like a 2-week wait to get one. Guy just kind of wanted it done.
It ain't bad. It's got our tank. And yeah, this thing's pretty simple. Nothing major going on. Lots of like cooling mods and whatnot. So this thing will probably be back together tomorrow, yo, because
yeah. I mean, it won't be running because I need the blower still. But,
I got you.
It'll be buttoned up.
Should be.
It's just nice ones where you don't have to like deal with like tearing the whole car apart. You just kind of stay with the engine area. It's just weird doing some like I haven't done a set of headers on the V2 since I've been here because like normally they're already been done on cars. So.
I got you.
Just doing one from scratch. And this one did have the 2 broken back bolts. Like I guess they just rusted off. And broke.
Yeah.
Luckily they were sticking out enough I could grab them with a stud extractor. But this thing cleaned up nice. If you would have seen it before, the covers covered up a lot of stuff. But like it was just had every oil leak known to man.
Covers keep the cheese in there.
Yeah. All the gaskets were like hard as a rock and just flat. It's got a fresh remain seal too. That one was starting to leak. So.
That's just a quick little chop session. I should walk over here and see if Fuzz has words for the people.
He don't look like he's fucking...
He looks like... he looks like a gooner. Looks like a gooner.
He's got the Wolverine haircut going on. Check it out.
Show him the lines.
I'm checking it.
It'd have been better if we had 2 of the low profile 90s for both sides, but what are you gonna do?
I got you. So you had to use some of your own stuff there.
Well, I didn't like the other side, just with the 45. Oh yeah, it should work. Should fit behind the bumper and all.
Yeah, I think you'll be all right. Based on my experience.
Oh, I do not miss
the relay, like.
Oh, I think Willis is still mic'd up over there.
I tie this side up, but comes with a nice little harness, like all the. It's
Ooh, that looks
It's like pro wide. It's nice shit.
Hold on, let me see if I can get a better angle. That's real. This is real racing wiring. Look at that nice yellow label. This might have more oil cooler than it does heat exchanger now. Put them together.
Yeah. No.
Same thing's gonna break a track record, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for coldest oil on the track.
Dude, but that boy cold.
That boy cold. Oh Lord. Got the billet oil cooler, little block they give you to delete the stock oil cooler. You also plug the.
Dude, he's going hard.
Yeah, it's he had me cussing the other day. You plug the block right there with that plug, and then you got to cap off your other end of your water cooler, like for the oil cooler, the water side of it. So this is the stock oil cooler here. Schmitty was wondering, and he thought we should explain it. This is the two inlets, inlet and outlet to the block for oil, and then there's your inlet for coolant, and there's the outlet for coolant. And that all goes in, one side's oil, one side's coolant, and that's basically the stock heat exchanger. So if your engine coolant's 200 degrees, 250 or whatever, it's heating your oil up, not necessarily cooling it down. And that's why the fans with the air-to-air is better. But so this can, after like you've been tracking your car for a while, this starts to actually heat up the oil. Doesn't help as much. So that's why that's better. Like I did the lines though. So you can buy this kit with lines already made, but that's what the 2-week lead time is. So we got it next day and made our own lines.
Oh yeah, he's just.
So, yeah.
Should stay cool.
Should be cold.
All right, well that's the shop update for right now. And Herman,
I didn't even want to buy.
what's Hermandy getting? You want to talk about him real quick?
A transmission cooler.
Transmission cooler. What else? 15-inch conversion.
Transmission cooler, 15-inch conversion, TRZ of course, and then TBMs and rear AFCO shocks.
Bang.
Oh yeah. Hey, come on, man. Get us to that 3 mark.
Try it.
You think it'll do it?
She needs that octane booster from AutoZone that comes in the red box. We just missed it. You know?
Yeah, 296. 508 foot-pounds of torque. Yeah. She's ready to hook up to a trailer and get to work.
Like a personal rubber dragger from the track. It's just he's laying rubber down on the Bentley right now. Every time he comes by, there's a new strip of rubber.
Look at them black pipes. Quick zoom. Yeah, there it is. Look at them bangs in there. It's not sweet. Damn, 2 horsepower. Oh, we got a fighter. I think we might need to let her cool off.
No, she's throttle shutting on you. It's gonna.
Oh. Yeah, I can see it from here.
She did. Oh yeah. Yeah,
That's a lot of horsepower for 2 mods. I mean, God.
yeah. I mean,
That's
look,
exactly 40 horsepower.
that's real good torque. I mean, that'll for what he wants. I mean, that should do the job.
Red's baseline bone stock.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what I've done.
I mean,
Everywhere through the curve.
oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Like to put a pro charger on this thing.
We're up 61 horsepower through the middle.
Yeah.
That's gonna make a difference pulling the trailer for sure.
No, yeah, because in tow and haul mode, it constantly stays like in that power band area.
Yeah.
It's always hunting for you.
Slow stuff can be exciting.
It's on 87 octane.
Yeah. I mean, that's pretty good. You don't have to worry about nothing. I mean, you get extra 40 horsepower. It's probably better off than it was before.
Paddle shifters on the wheel with the column shifter. Yeah, what the hell? I've never seen that. It has paddle shifters with the column shifter.
Dude, cool. All right, well, that wraps it up. I don't know what we got next, but it'll be something.